Hello everyone and welcome to English Language Academy. Today we are going to be talking about expressing emotions. I just have to say that this was a real pleasure to put together because I love expressing emotions. I work with kids a lot and we talk about emotions a lot, so it's fun to do it on kind of an adult level. So let's talk about ways to really express our emotions. So we all know that we can say, oh, I feel happy. But did you also know you can say, I am over the moon, I'm on cloud 9, I'm on top of the world, I'm in the 7th heaven. Yeah? So we're not just happy, we're over the moon happy. So I really like these because it helps to better express how you feel. We all know how to say, I feel sad, but did you also know that you can say, I feel down in the dumps, I'm feeling blue, I'm reduced to tears, yeah, I'm down in the mouth. Which I think is really funny. I mean, it's not funny that they're sad, but we say down in the mouth because your mouth literally goes down. So I think that one's a good one. We all know how to say, I'm angry, but did you also know you can say, I want to bite someone's head off? Or if someone is being very aggressive with you, you can say, no need to bite my head off. Like, what? You're so angry. Yeah, blow a fuse, go off the deep end. Again, I love these expressions. I just think they're so accurate, yeah, in describing how we feel about things. We can say I'm scared, but we can also say my heart missed a beat, or skipped a beat. That's also an option. You can say I'm afraid of my own shadow, or if you see somebody who is behaving kind of, in a paranoid way, you say, wow, you're afraid of your own shadow. You can say, I almost jumped out of my skin. And this is my absolute favorite. I have the heebie-jeebies. It's so much fun to say, and when you say it, people understand. Yeah, you say, I've got the heebie-jeebies, and say, oh yeah, you're scared. And that one's just a really fun one that I enjoy. So we can say, I am confused, or we can say, I feel out of it. Or we will puzzle over someone, or say, wow, that threw me for a loop. And my absolute favorite, it's clear as mud. And I think this one is so great because, well, obviously mud is muddy, it's not clear. So if someone says, do you understand me? You can say, clear as mud. And I think that's just a great response, really, to some questions. So this was a real pleasure to put together, and I really loved doing this one because these are some of my favorite expressions to use in daily life, especially with my students and my other English learners. So I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button so that you stay informed about all of our great new videos coming out. Thanks. Bye.